In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting room in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to create an event, invite the right people, find a suitable room, check its features, and lock it in so everyone's on the same page. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Click the Create button, then set the date and start time for your meeting. Give your event a clear title so guests know what it's about at a glance. If you work across time zones, double-check the time zone setting to avoid confusion. You can adjust the duration right here. And if you see any overlapping events, consider shifting the time to make scheduling easier for everyone. Next, add your guests. In the Guests field, type the email addresses of everyone who needs to attend. As you add people, Google Calendar can show you if they're free or busy at that time, which helps you avoid conflicts. Keeping the guest list accurate ensures the room you choose is sized appropriately and that everyone receives the right invite and calendar update. Now it's time to find a room. In the event details, click Rooms. Depending on your organization's setup, you may also see an option to browse all rooms and resources. This will display the rooms that are available to you through your organization's Google Workspace. If rooms don't appear, it might mean your admin hasn't added them yet. So just proceed with the rest of the event until they're available. Use the filters to narrow your choices. You can review room capacity to make sure it fits your group, and check equipment like a television, projector, or whiteboard, as well as location details such as building or floor. Availability is shown based on the time you selected, so you'll see which rooms are open right when you need them. When you find a match, click the room to add it to your event. You'll see it appear in the event details, confirming it's been associated with your meeting. When everything looks good, your time is set. Guests are added, and a room is selected. Click Save. If prompted, choose to send invitations so attendees get the details immediately. Saving reserves the room for your selected time and places it on everyone's calendar, reducing the chance of double booking. If plans change later, you can edit the event and the room reservation will update automatically. That's it. You've created an event, invited your guests, selected the right room with the features you need, and confirmed the booking. Thanks for watching.